differentiation from first principle. It's quite a standard question. So don't forget that you are given this on the formula sheet. So you can just copy this out exactly as it appears. So the limit as h tends towards 0 of f of x plus h minus f of x all over h. Okay, so that's not going to get you a mark, but if you just then put in our specific question, so we are trying to differentiate x cubed, so f of x plus h is x plus h all cubed minus x cubed. Okay, so that's your first method mark. Okay, you don't have to put f dash x at the start of every line as long as the working all follows clearly through. It certainly doesn't hurt. Okay, and then my next mark is going to come from expanding out these brackets. So the way I would do it is I would do x plus h squared first. So I've got x times x, and then x times h, and another x times h, and then h times h. And then that needs to be multiplied through by x plus h again for the cubed part. You can do a grid method. So let's do grid method for this bit. So I won't bother putting the plus there. Okay, so that needs to be multiplied through by x plus h, so x times x squared times h, x times 2xh, 2xh times h, x times h squared, and h times h squared. Okay, and then if I collect all my like terms together, I've got x cubed there, I've got 3x squared h, I've got 3x h squared, and then just the x cubed on the end. So that's your second mark, is for correctly expanding those brackets out. So if I now go back to my proof, so f dash x equals the limit as h tends towards 0 of, so x cubed plus 3x squared h plus 3x h squared plus h cubed. Okay, so that's all that bit there, and then I'm almost minusing that that x cubed. Okay, so what's now going to happen is that take away that is cancelling. So I could also cancel through by h at this stage, but I'll write it as a separate stage just to be really clear. So 3x squared h plus 3x h squared plus h cubed all over h. So that will then cancel 2, and you do have to write this limit as h tends towards 0 on every line. Okay, right, so then I can draw my final conclusion, which is that as h does tend towards 0, f dash x, well, as h tends towards 0, oh sorry, I've lost an h from there, haven't I? As h tends towards 0, that will become 0, that will become 0. So f dash x is 3x squared. We knew that anyway, and also told us in the original question. And then just whenever you finish off a proof, just something to show that you're done and you've proved what was asked for.